Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Blue Waves. I'm back with another video. This right here is a Cash App card unboxing. You know, got mine in the mail. Mine came in a letter this thick, but it's big. That is. I know it's gonna be like a little pointless video, but when you open it up, it say pound cash card or hashtag cash card. You know, it's for the front, look like. Not to see my address, anything. Then when you open it up, boom. Got your cash card with my personal signature, Blue Waves right there. And they got the chip. And all I have to do now is go to my app and finish the rest of the process. All right? And they got everything they need on the card, so I'm good to go.